Yo, what is up guys? It's your boy George coming back at you with another E92 M3 video, and today we're going to be working on Aniya. What we're going to be doing today, as you can probably tell by the jacks a little bit, we're going to be deep cleaning the rims. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by jacking up the rear of the car, putting the jack stands underneath. I have 4 jack stands on each side. Sorry about the truck. So I have 4 jack stands. I'm gonna try to see if I can't jack the whole car up completely and take all the rims with me and put them in the car. But if anything, the best bet and the safest bet is probably just doing 2 at a time. So just to get started, I got some wheel chocks. I don't know if they're gonna fit though, because they're kind of beefy, I'm not gonna lie. Can we make it work? Can we make it? Oh, okay. Fits in there perfectly, like a puzzle. So those are just to prevent the car from rolling while we're like jacking it up. But what I'm probably gonna do is jack it up from the rear, put the jack stands underneath on both sides, take the tires off, put them in the car, and then we're gonna shoot over to Hoffman's and deep clean the car. I got iron remover, obviously Griot's heavy duty wheel cleaner, brushes. So I'm gonna scrub the absolutely living hell out of those barrels, get all that gunk and funk out of there. And then I got some sealant from like chemical guys that I'm gonna spray as like high gloss sealant, spray it on there, wipe it down, and all that good stuff. So in the car, I got the seats already laid down flat. So I'm probably just gonna do 2 rims at a time. And then obviously I got all the tools here. I have the vacuum because I'm thinking about deep cleaning the interior today. And then, you know, some more stuff. This is the sealant that I was talking about. I'll show you guys more in detail. High gloss spray sealant. But yeah, so let me stop talking and get to working. Like that. Guys, so remember, everything I do is just showing you guys how I do it, not necessarily a tutorial on how you should do it. So I jacked the car up by the rear diff. Some people say yay, some people say nay, do as you please. I jacked it up by the rear diff. I put the jack pads underneath the mounting points, the jack points, and I put my jacks underneath. So right now what I'm gonna do is, since I lowered the jack stand, or the jack down on the jack stands rather, now I'm going to apply a little bit of pressure to have contact, and I'm going to remove the pole just so that way there's a 3rd mounting point on the vehicle, God forbid something happens, you know. So I just remove it so that way passerbys, if they don't see it, they don't hit it. And then another safety thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna block off these 2 spots adjacent to the car with other vehicles after I get the rims off. And the fact that it didn't just fall off tells me that these sits are on there. Oh, okay, that's not bad. As you can see though, the inside of these barrels are absolutely atrocious. So yeah, I'm gonna roll this over to the car. All right, so as you can see, I moved the other vehicles to surround this so nobody can park next to it, but I still have enough space to work. We got the rims off, as you guys saw in the last clip. Deep cleaned this as well, like, you know, the caliper, the rotor, all of that stuff, the suspension components, but like I don't have the means to, at least not here. Take this off, piece of tape. But yeah, so but until I do, we're gonna be happy with the rims, that being able to at least deep clean the rims. And then after that we're gonna do the fronts obviously too. So yeah. All right, so now we're at the wash spot. I got the rears right here, just to give you guys a look. The faces aren't super dirty because obviously Dimitri did his magic, and then the last time when I clayed the car, you know, I hit it with the iron remover and it made a difference. But over here, as you can see, the barrel's atrocious, and then you can see like old glue from the old tire weights and shit, the wheel weights. Same thing with this one. Yeah, so all the old glue, shit like that, gotta really clean them up. So over here, we got all our products that we're gonna be using. So we're just gonna, this is a rug, obviously, towards the end, I'm gonna hit it with that. Oh, and it volunteered itself because it touched the ground, so I don't wanna use that on the car later until I wash it again, deep clean it properly. So, got some scrubbers, like this is for your tire, but I'm gonna use it on the barrel too. We got a brush for the lug holes, obviously to get in between the spokes, and then we got some heavy duty wheel cleaner. I got extra, a little bit left, so I'm gonna use that up before I hit the new bottle. Also a little bit of engine cleaner, so I'm gonna use that as well. Maybe Goo Gone for the glue, and then some iron remover after I hit, like, deep clean it multiple times. And then at the end, I'm gonna hit it with the high gloss sealant like I told you guys about, and then I'm gonna also hit the tire with some graphene dressing. So yeah, we're gonna get started. I'm gonna set you guys up. Alright, so as you can see, I could have got the barrels as good as I could get them. Went over it multiple times with Glue Gone. Obviously, it's going to take a little bit more to get the barrel spotless due to the state that the fucking previous owner had it in. But now we're going to hit it with the heavy duty wheel cleaner. I like the face of this one. The face of this one came out really good. And then this one I got to go over again, but the barrel of this one came out really good compared to this one. So I can only imagine how the fronts are, because you know the front brakes, those generate a lot more dirt and dust. So we'll see. All right, guys. So as you can see, this is how I got the rims sitting. Yo, they look a lot better now, way better, especially now that you can actually see into the barrel. So this is one of the barrels I got. I went in with a little brush and I hand brushed everything. Got it as good as I could get it. Should have bought my drill with an attachment, honestly speaking, so that way I could really like go ham on it. I feel like that would have like taken it to the next level, but like for what it is now compared to what it was, it's a lot better. I'm gonna hit it again with the tire, with the heavy duty tire cleaner, and brush the tires as well, rinse it, and then I'm gonna hit it with the iron remover, and then we're gonna add the sealant. Now we sprayed the iron remover, and as you can see, it's doing its thing. Obviously, it's gonna pull up in certain crevices, but it's supposed to change color, as you can see. That's all the contaminants that it's got in it. But yeah, yo, just looking at it like this, it's shining, bro. So I can't wait to put the sealant on and the tire dressing. That shit really sick. All right, so we got them outside now. As you can see, they shining. This is what the barrels look like. They're not the best, but they're not the worst. You can actually see silver inside instead of marking straight up dirt. But like, now I'm gonna add the sealant and repeat the process to the front. While I take care of the rims, I'm going to let these bolts soak in some wheel cleaner just to like take all the sliding stuff off of them. All right, so we're gonna mount it back on. Before I do, I'm just throwing on a little bit of multi-vehicle moly grease. You're supposed to use the anti-seize when doing this type of treatment, but I don't have that on hand and I don't feel like going to the store. This works just as well for the most part. So I'm gonna also put some on the lug nuts so that way, you know. But yeah, so I'm gonna mount these up and then I'll get back to you guys. All right, so now it's time to repeat the process on the front. So I'm gonna turn the car around. But yeah, she's shining, bro. You can see into the barrel. It's a much better look, much cleaner look. I still gotta clean the calipers and all that stuff, but like, just look at that versus like this, where it's like all cruddy and dingy inside and it looks dark. So I'm gonna take the chocks off and then I'm gonna flip the car around and jack up the front.
You already know. I got it out, bro. You already know.
Oh!
Saved by the rubber. But like, yeah, you already know the vibes, bro. It's clean, it's clean.
Yo, what's up, guys? So it's currently the next day. Yeah, I'm about to go for a ride, but I figured I'd show you guys in the sun what the car and the rims are looking like. There's Zendaya looking pretty as ever. But yeah, so this is the final product of deep cleaning the rims. As you can see, they're shining. Tire shine is looking good. You can see into the barrel and it looks really good now instead of all black. Love the way these look. One thing I will say is that I do definitely have to deep clean the caliper and the brake system because it's not giving what it's supposed to give, you feel me? It's just the little details. But yeah, like, look at the car, bro. The car's looking so great with this. And once we compound and polish the car, everything's gonna be looking magnificent. I can't even speak English. But yeah, so that's what the car is looking like. It's looking really good. It's coming along great. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know down in the comments what else I should do to the car, whether it's detailing, tips, tricks, modifications, stuff like that. Also, don't forget to like, comment. So yeah, that's how the car is looking right now. Drop down in the comments below any ideas that you guys have as far as like tips and tricks for detailing, stuff like that, or like mods that you guys think that I would like. Things, you know, just things that come to your mind about this build. Just let me know down below. Coming along, she's coming along. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that share button. All the engagement. I love commenting with you guys. I love interacting with you guys. So comment down below for your comment back guarantee. But yeah, so I'll catch you guys in the next video. I hope you have a good one and enjoy.